TT Technologies hard heat-treated steel cutting blades are available for splitting and replacing plastic service and main lines from a ½ inch to 4 inches in diameter. The blade designs were developed by working directly with utilities to create optimum splitting head configurations. For service line and main line splitting, the splitting heads are paired with a Grundowinch cable pulling system or other cable pulling device. This video is to be used in conjunction with the printed pipe splitting operations guide. Read, understand, and observe all safety information and instructions in this video and the printed operations guide. Please note specific safety requirements as explained in the printed guide and called out in this video. The operating crew should always wear the appropriate safety equipment, including safety shoes or boots, hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, and ear protection. Check the existence and exact position of buried pipe and cables by contacting the respective utilities or owners of networks. The exact and definite existence and position of buried cable and pipes should be defined by trial pits or using cable and pipe detection equipment or other means. Shut off water or gas service and purge the line. Determine locations for launch and exit pits. Excavate both, then secure the cable pulling device. The exit pit needs to be no longer or wider than the manufacturer's recommended size for the cable pulling device used, at a depth that reaches to the bottom of the hose pipe to be replaced. The entrance pit should be at the proper depth to allow for the new pipe to be installed at the proper bend radius. After the cable pulling device is set up and the cable routed through the hose pipe, slide the bladed cutter and body onto the cable. Place cable jaws onto the end of the cable. Leave a small portion protruding from the rear of the jaws. Seat the cable jaws into the body by pulling the cable from the front into the body. Secure cable jaws by tapping on the jaws with a screwdriver and hammer from the rear to secure. Screw rear puller onto the body and install the new product pipe and tracer wire if necessary. The service splitting operation is defined by pulling cable via cable pulling device connected to the service splitter assembly through the hose pipe and pulling in the new product pipe. After all prior connections are made, start the cable pulling device per the supplier recommendations and engage tension on the cable. When pits are clear of personnel, proceed with pulling operations as specified by the cable pulling device supplier. Continue service splitting until the service splitter assembly and the new pipe is pulled into the exit pit.